Meaning of Franco.
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 Franco. Franco dash is a prefix that originates from the name of Spanish dictator Francisco Franco. It is commonly used to refer to the style or period of his rule, which lasted from 1939 to 1975. The term can also be used to describe a style of art, architecture, or literature that was popular during this time. Additionally, it can be used in a more general sense to describe any situation or policy that is authoritarian, conservative, or repressive, reflecting the characteristics of Franco's regime. Overall, Franco dash is a loaded term that carries historical, cultural, and political significance in Spain and beyond.